When I seen the total, just like, wow. Okay, my Aldi total. Welcome to my channel and welcome back if you're new. We are going to go grocery shopping today and I'm gonna bring you along. One thing, we have been spending way too much in groceries, like way too much. I am going to, and I'll admit, I have been doing all of our grocery shopping at Natural Grocer. I love it, okay? I'm still gonna go back and get some of our things there, but I am going to try a different route. So we have been spending anywhere between $400 to $500 a week in groceries. And now this is different for everybody, but to us, that's a lot of money. That's expensive. So I know I can cut that in half if I try. I am going to try to cut that in half. I'm going to try to be at 200 or under today. And that's going to be a week's worth of groceries. Let me add that we are a family of 6. So we have 4 children. Thankful for my husband for bringing it to my attention because I just go to the grocery store and I just get whatever I want, right? Okay. I love Natural Grocer. That's where I've been going for doing all of our grocery shopping there and wanting to stay in a budget. It's just not feasible. I mean, I love it. I'll probably still go there. I am going to try Aldi. We love Aldi and we used to go all the time. We do shop as much organic as possible. So I am going to see if I can cut our grocery bill in half. So instead of $400 to $500, I'm going to try to stay in a $200, under $200 today at Aldi. Let's see if I can do it. Another thing that is stressing me out lately is snacks. Snacks are stressing me out. Why? 2 things. Number 1, I have snacks on the bottom shelf of the pantry, which they're accessible for the kids. That's a problem because they are snacking 24/7, okay? So then dinner comes around and they are not hungry. And that's a parenting problem, right? I should be better about making sure that they're not eating snacks before dinner. I know, that's my problem. Number 2, they're just not healthy. They're not healthy for them. Like, I don't care if you buy the cleanest ingredients. It's not good for them to be snacking all the time and doing all that, in my opinion. So I am going to, this week, cut snacks. I know, my kids are gonna feel like they're living in a prison. Basically had a meltdown, okay? It's going to be difficult, but I said, we will still have snacks. We are going to have fruits, veggies, and I'm gonna cut those up so they're accessible. Hummus, ranch, I'm gonna allow ranch, okay? If you guys wanna dip your veggies in ranch, great. Apples with peanut butter, yogurt, and my kids have been eating yogurt. So another thing that I did last week was I bought the big thing of plain yogurt from Costco. And I used to do this all the time, but I just got lazy and was buying the individual cups, you know, and those are expensive. So I bought the big thing of plain Greek yogurt from Costco, and my kids add their own honey. It's healthier and it's cheaper. And then they put granola on, and there you go. Cheese sticks. I have not found a beef stick that my kids like yet. So I am on a mission to find. Come to Aldi with me. Let's see what we can find. I'm super excited to, it's almost like a game. Like, can I stay in under $200? We will see. Come with me. I'm not seeing organic grapes, so I'm going to go ahead and get these and I'll just wash them super good. I know that that probably doesn't make a difference, but whatever. I will go to Costco for the Siete tortilla chips. My husband likes blue cheese, so I'll get him one of these. That looks super good. Okay, these are cute. I am gonna get one of these for the kids for tonight. I'm such a sucker, like no snacks and then I get cookies, but whatever. I have half of that salmon we made last week for dinner this week, so I'm not gonna get that this week. I'll make chili one night this week. Tomorrow night we're gonna make Hungarian beef stew, so I'm gonna grab that. Fun fact about me, I am half Hungarian. I'm gonna get this for the kids to put on top of their yogurt. I usually do whole wheat, but this is on sale, so I'll get this week. I'll get these for the kids' lunches. Okay, let's see if I can stay on budget. Okay, I'm happy with what my total was. I do have to go to Costco here for a couple different things, but for the most part, good. I meant to put the Honeycrisp apples back because I seen organic Pink Lady and they weren't too of a difference, of a cost difference, but I didn't, so I got both. Okay, now I'm headed to Aldi because their 3-pack of milk of the A1 is just cheaper to buy it that way. So I'm gonna get milk, pickles. I already have butter left over from last week and the Siete tortilla chips. So cute. I am gonna get these because we have one, my husband and I, every night while we're cooking dinner. Okay, I forgot we're out of syrup. Vitamins. We also have almonds and pistachios left over from last week, so I don't need to get any of those. We bought these last week and clearly did not eat them, so we will try to get rid of them either this weekend or next week. These did not get eaten, so we will not be buying these again. Oh, sure, honey. So now I'm going to clean all of the fruit, and I clean my fruit in my bowls with baking soda and water. And I let it sit for about 30 seconds, swish it around, drain it, rinse, and then I do let it dry for a little bit before I put it into my containers. But here we go. how dirty they are. This water is so gross. Let me get another bucket. Okay, and then I'll put them in this container and then they're done. I kind of let them air dry a little bit before I put them in the fridge, but I clean all my containers as the fruit runs out and then put them back into the fridge in their spot. That way, after I get done grocery shopping, it's not like, you know, I'm already exhausted from grocery shopping. I have to come home, clean all my containers, wash the fruit, and then put everything away. They're already all clean. So I just grab them all out, wash my fruit, and put everything away. It's so much easier. All right, now we're going to wash the strawberries. Here we go. Now the non-organic strawberries were $1.99, which was super cheap. I thought that was a great deal, but I did get the organic. I do try to buy that as much as possible. There were some things at Aldi's that weren't, and I still bought it. Like the pears were not, and like I'm not like, you know, organic or none. So anyways, just do what you can. We weren't always able to buy organic either, so this is not like we've always done that. So I'll wash these the same way, put a little bit of baking soda and then some water. So my thoughts on that is, I think I did really well with the grocery haul today on how much I spent, but I definitely could have done even better, you know, if I would have bought the cheaper produce and whatnot. So I'm super impressed by their prices and just how good everything looked. Like their fruit looked pretty good. Their meat looked pretty good. That was good too. They now have grass-fed beef. I'm impressed with that. Okay, getting these cleaned up. Okay, so the water looks nasty whether it's organic or not, okay? So it doesn't matter. All I'm saying. So sometimes I won't put them back in the exact container. I know I said I'll put it back in the fridge where it's supposed to go, but sometimes like if I don't have as much fruit as usual, then I'm able to use like one of the smaller containers. So right now the strawberries are gonna go in this one. Oh, and you know what I did last week that I think helped a lot with the strawberries is I did put a paper towel. Okay, so I've been putting paper towels on the bottom and I think this soaks up all the moisture and helps them to last longer. Some people are like, I've been doing that all along, but I hate to be wasteful, so I had never done that before, but it does help. Here we go. And then the lid. Over there to dry. Target, if you're wondering, and if you're wondering if it really makes a difference, for me, yes, because the refrigerator stays super organized, and then like I just will pull these containers out of the fridge for breakfast. Can you use any container? Yes, absolutely. Can you use, you know, a Pyrex container? Yeah, it doesn't have to be anything fancy, but I've been wanting these for a while and to organize my fridge for a while, and I finally did it. All right. So let these sit just about 30 seconds, kind of swish them around, get them nice and clean, and then drain. Well, my husband put them in the dishwasher by accident, and they did deform, and so they're all like deformed and don't fit. So do not put them in the dishwasher.
Maybe you could do the dishes.
This goes in the pantry. Oh wait, dude, I used the wrong one. Raspberries in the wrong container. That's why my bottom piece wouldn't fit. All right. We already got some apples yesterday. They were on sale at one of our local grocery stores, and so we picked those up. So I got 2 bags, so we're good. But the kids can have apples with peanut butter or just apples. Sometimes we do apples with a little bit of cinnamon on top. already cleaned this down. I do clean it weekly, just because it can start to look gross. I plan to do chili one night, a vegan night, and I plan on doing a butter chicken, but with chickpeas over rice or quinoa. And then I will do a pasta night, one night. And then I will do, a salmon night. And we have leftover salmon from last week. We buy the big one, I think it was $20 at Aldi last week, and we only used half of it. And this week I will use the other half. And as for vegetables, the kids really like the asparagus with the salmon, so I think I'll do asparagus again with the salmon. And then we have Brussels sprouts left over, and they still look good. I don't know where I put them over there. They still look good. And then mushrooms. We did not use mushrooms. Good. I don't know what they're supposed to smell like. I'll have to ask my husband before we get those. But anyways, we did not get to those. So we need to get rid of them. I hate wasting food. Both of us do. We do not do well with that. So we try to use up every single thing in our fridge, even leftovers. Like, we do not throw food away. I will eat leftovers. I will eat chili for a week if I have to get rid of it. So we are not wasteful people. Ready, prepared. I eat carrots for lunch every day, whether I dip it in like my favorite French onion dip. I don't have it. That's a natural grocery item that I'll have to get because I do love it. I'll cut some like this long so that they're good for dipping, and then I'll also do some small ones. I took one of my kids with me to Aldi, and they're like, can I have this? Can I have that? And it's not doing snacks. We are not, and I am so proud of myself for sticking to that, because when I seen the total, I was just like, wow, okay, and I didn't even tell you the total yet. Okay, my Aldi total was $150. Crazy compared to what I have been spending, okay? So again, we are feeding 4 kids. We have a family of 6. So I did 150 at Aldi, and then I did 90 at Costco. And the reason for that is because I got those Topo Chico drinks. And then I also were going over to a friend's house for dinner tonight. So I got some of these other drinks. They were $10.99 for the kids to take over there. And then there was something else that I got too. Oh, vitamins. today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked my video, I hope you subscribe and follow for more. Have a great Sunday.